Ever notice how some creators seem to effortlessly produce content and cash in big? They've got a secret and it's called AI. I'm Aaron from Thinkific, the best tool to start and grow your online education business. And in this video, we're going to be outlining how you can use ChatGPT to make money, and we'll show you one creator who has deeply integrated AI into their business. First, the most important thing to consider when thinking about monetizing with AI is the efficiency it provides. ChatGPT can produce content at a pace that's hard to match manually, allowing you to churn out more quality content in less time. Whether it's blog posts, ebooks, or course materials, this AI has got you covered. Next, think about the versatility. ChatGPT isn't limited to one style or genre. It can adapt, ensuring that the content it produces aligns with your target audience, be it tech enthusiasts, lifestyle readers, or academic learners. And here's where it gets exciting: monetization. With the content generated, you have multiple avenues to earn. Let's explore some of those avenues together. Videos and podcast scripts. In the age of multimedia, content isn't just about the written word. ChatGPT can help you script your next YouTube video or podcast episode, ensuring your content is crisp, engaging, and resonates with your audience. From there, you can start earning ad revenue from this content, take sponsors on, or offer affiliate links for products you recommend. Ebooks and self-publishing. Ever thought about penning a book? With ChatGPT, you can draft chapters, refine content, and even get suggestions for plot twists. Once done, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing await, turning your AI-assisted manuscript into a source of passive income. Online courses. Crafting a course can be daunting, but not with ChatGPT by your side. From detailed lesson plans to engaging assignments, it assists at every step. While ChatGPT empowers you with content creation, where do you channel this content to see tangible results? This is where Thinkific comes in. Thinkific is designed to host a variety of content, from text-based lessons to multimedia presentations. The content you craft with ChatGPT can effortlessly be integrated into Thinkific, creating a seamless learning experience for your audience. With Thinkific, you're not just sharing knowledge, you're building a business. You can set a price, offer discounts, or even provide free teasers of courses. The platform gives you the flexibility to monetize your content the way you see fit. Thinkific courses can be accessed worldwide, so the engaging content you produce with ChatGPT has the potential to reach a global audience, amplifying your earnings and your potential. Beyond just selling courses, Thinkific also allows you to engage with a community. You can build a community for students, get feedback, and continuously refine your offerings based on real-world insights. If you're looking to transform your content creation journey and truly monetize your efforts, combining the power of AI with Thinkific's platform is a great step in the right direction, and you can get started for free today. Just go to www.thinkific.com and sign up. Now, one of the most compelling success stories in the realm of AI-assisted content creation and monetization is that of Adam Onfroy. Let's delve into how he's harnessed the power of tools like ChatGPT and Thinkific to build a thriving online presence. Adam Onfroy's blog, found at adamonfroy.com, stands as a testament to the power of AI in content creation. Using tools like Jasper.ai, which is built on ChatGPT, Adam crafts in-depth guides and listicles. These aren't just any articles. They're meticulously researched AI-assisted pieces that drive massive traffic to his site. A big portion of Adam's content revolves around tool suggestions and product reviews. These listicles are not only informative, but they also feature affiliate links. Every click and subsequent purchase translate to affiliate revenue, turning his high-traffic blog into a passive income resource. But Adam's digital journey doesn't stop at blogging. Recognizing the demand for structured learning, he's ventured into creating online courses with Thinkific. His blog growth engine masterclass helps his readers replicate his success with their own blogs and YouTube channels. He even worked with us to develop a free crash course on setting all of this up on Thinkific Academy. We'll add a link below so that you can check that free course out. While we've explored the potential of ChatGPT and its synergy with platforms like Thinkific, the journey doesn't end here. To truly master the art of AI-assisted content creation and monetization, continuous learning is key, and we've got you covered. Crafting the perfect prompt can make all the difference in the output you receive from AI. We uncover the techniques and strategies to optimize your prompts, ensuring that you get the most out of tools like ChatGPT in our video, How to Write Better AI Prompts for Tools like ChatGPT. And of course, the AI landscape is vast with numerous tools designed to help empower creators. So check out our video, Top 7 AI-Powered Tools for Creators, where we break down the top tools that you can use to revolutionize your online education business, from content creation to marketing automation. In the digital age, the fusion of innovative AI tools like ChatGPT and platforms like Thinkific is reshaping the way we create and monetize content. As we've seen, this isn't a futuristic concept. It's reality lived by creators like Adam Onforay. His journey from crafting AI-enhanced content to monetizing it through affiliate links and online courses is a good set of proof for the limitless possibilities ahead. So as we wrap up, consider this. In a world brimming with content, how will you stand out? With the right tool strategies and a dash of innovation, the next success story could very well be yours.